Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your background from your pictures and images. See the same thing, right? Well, just come up to Google and type remove background from image. Then scroll down to remove background from image. Click on it. Yep, here we are. You can either drag it in or you can just simply click on the upload image. So let's click on the upload image. Okay, so here we are. So now I'm going to my desktop because that's where I put my image. Yeah, not a great place, but okay, this is it right now. So I'm going to click on it, then come down and click on open. And automatically my image is being loaded and the background has been removed. So you look at it, background removed, and it's very easy to download it. Just click here on download. Boop. And that's it. So let's take a look at it. And that's it. No background, just the person, and it's well done, nicely done. Let's zoom in. Look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you can even drop it in if you don't want to just click. Let me show you can drop it in. Okay, so just minimize it like this. Then you can just take the image and drag it there. You can notice what it says now. See? Drop anywhere. Drop. Wait for it. Boom. Background removed, and you just click on download. And that's how you can remove your background from your images. So the pictures I use another clear, but I'm going to show you another way using GIMP, games. Let's go straight to games and do this. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how you can use games to remove background from your images. So we click on it right here, opening up. And yep. Okay. So right now I'm going to bring in the images I want to edit and remove the background. So I'm going to use this. Let's bring it in. Yep. I can also just create a file if I want to. I just create new, then click OK. You can adjust the width and height you want and the pixels right here. Then click OK. So you have a new here. So you can either just drag it in or create a new, then now drag your image in. So to remove the background, first thing we come right here, right click and make this add alpha channel, click on it. Then come over to fuzzy select tools, click on it. So you're gonna come to the side and make sure this is clicked on. We have this X here, and X here. We don't need any here. And right here too. So now we come to the side we want to remove. Yep, and click on delete on your keyboard. Just look for delete on your keyboard and click on it. And boom, we have removed the background. So though it takes more time to complete, and over time you get better in doing it. So that's how we keep doing to remove all the background from it. So we are like, we can notice if we move the mouse down, we can increase the threshold. Just look at it. You can see it's on 31. If I move the mouse down, it increased to 42.0. Then I just then delete. I come here, click. Whoops, that's too much on the threshold. Okay, I think that's okay. Then delete. So it's gonna take some more time, and depending on the image too. Sometimes you might use an image that has the same color with what you're trying to remove. So right now I choose this picture intentionally because it's wearing a purple kimono and the background is green. So it makes it more easy to remove the background instead of having the same color of background with our clothes. So if our background is the same thing with our clothes, it's going to be much harder. I'll need more time to remove the background for me. Okay, look at right here. Made a mistake, remove the part of the face. So just press Ctrl and Z if you made a mistake and remove a part of the face. Ctrl Z, back until I'm able to get the face back. Keep pressing it. Let's get the face back. Okay, got the face back. Yeah. Okay, that was too much. Let's do this trash or delete. Let's just remove it little by little. Okay, so that's it. Avoided the face. So this is how you can remove background using games. So that's how you can remove your background from an image using games. So it takes a little more time, and also you have to choose the right pictures, because if the color of the clothes or what you want to remove the background from is the same thing, you might have a little issue. You might have to do some more work on it. Okay, so now we are done with the removing of the background from the image. We want to export it. So I can use it for what we want to use it for. So just come up to File and click. So you either click Export As or Export to this. So let's just click Export As, and we look up here, name as PNG. Then click Export. Then click Export. And that's it. So I put it on my desktop. So I'm not yet 100% done with this image. Still have some little, if you notice it, still have some little part I could still remove. Take note of it, see, right here and here. So this is going to take a little more time, but I just want to show you how you can remove the background image using games. So this is it right here, saved already. So it's not going to be perfect yet. Yep. So I do have this, and yeah, these are other parts I've not yet removed from the background. Okay, so this is how it looks after working on it a bit more. So let me show you the first one I did, how it looks like. This is it. This is how it looked like when I was first working on it and removed some part of the background, and a bit more work, and this is what it's looking like now. Boom, looks much better now. Just want to show you the finished work after a little more time in removing it little by little, layer by layer. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video that says subscribe. Thanks.